Okay, so now we are on station 3. So if you'll open up station 3 on plant and animal cells, we're going to open that up. Remember, you can go back to my other recording there and you can look at the slide in the daily agendas. Scroll down to the slide that has the picture of the plant and animal cell. Will certainly help you. So in this, you need to match the structure and the function cards for the cell organelle name. So cell membrane, I will tell you, is pointing to this outermost layer. Both types of cells have that, so that's the cell structure. And the cell membrane actually controls what comes in and out of the cell. So I move this over here, and then you add up your sum of the two cards, which is 3. So I would slide the 3 over. So your first code number would be a 3. So you would go through and you would do all of that, and then slide number 2, it's basically matching the name of the organelle with what it does for the cell. Here, extension, you figure out which one's plant and animal cell, and then you've got a couple more questions. And that's all that you have on this one.